In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to geofence in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Campaigns. Then select the campaign you want to apply geofencing to. After that, hover over your campaign and click on the gear icon. That opens Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down until you find the Locations option. Click and expand it. You'll see 3 options to choose from in the locations: All Countries and Territories, Your Country, and Enter Another Location. Choose Enter Another Location. Then click on Advanced Search. You can search either by location or radius. I'll choose radius. You can enter the distance, and also you can choose the unit from kilometers or miles. Then just type the name of your location, hover over it, and click on Include if you want to include the location, and Exclude if you want to exclude that location. Now you can see the included and excluded locations. Once you're done choosing the locations, click Save to apply the geofence. Your ads will now show only to users inside that selected area. And that's it. That's how you geofence in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.